How's everybody doing today? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hand sanitizer. Homemade. The cost to make this is less than $1, believe it or not. And I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, anybody you want to. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. Now, ever since the outbreak of the coronavirus, there has been a mass shortage of supplies. I'm talking paper towels, toilet paper, cleaners, Purell hand sanitizer, alcohol, basic needs stuff, and it's crazy. You can't find any of it. And if you can find it, they're trying to charge you a premium price, which is called price gouging. So that is against the law, and you should report it if you do see it on Amazon, eBay. It's crazy. You see this bottle of Purell? It's probably going for about $100 on eBay. Crazy. Insane. I was fortunate enough to get the generic version from my bodegas here in New York, and they even wanted to charge me a premium price. I talked the guy down, but still he wanted $5 for it. I mean, this is crazy. It's just ridiculous, guys, what's been going on. But in any case, I'm going to show you how to make this fast and simple, very easy to use, and you can't go wrong. It costs about $1 to make this, and it's just as effective, if not more effective. Now, one thing you have to do, you have to use 70% alcohol. You need a minimum of 60% alcohol. So I mixed two alcohols. I mixed the 70% and I used a little bit of the wintergreen one. So this is what I used, guys. I used tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, 70% alcohol, 50% wintergreen alcohol. And for the moisturizer, I used Aloe Soothe Vaseline. I'm going to show you how to make this right now. We're going to start off by mixing the ingredients. We have a half cup of 70% alcohol, a third of a cup of wintergreen alcohol, a quarter cup of aloe moisturizer, and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, and a quarter teaspoon of tea tree oil. All right, so now we're going to mix until combined. It's been about 5 minutes. Now it's time to strain it. So we have our strainer. Okay, so now we're going to transfer it into these handy travel size bottles to pump out the homemade hand sanitizer. So we have our bottle here. We have our funnel. Let's put the pump on. Give it a little shake. And let's see if this works. All right, so I just made these. And this looks pretty cool, to be honest. I'm going to try it out. See if it works. All right, it feels just like hand sanitizer. It's moist. It's creamy. Smells really good. It smells like it's sanitizing. Okay, feels good. My hands are moisturized. They feel clean. They smell clean. All right, I could get used to this. This is good. Feels great on the skin. I think I would much rather prefer this over those. I mean, any day. And New York State, I am impressed that they are making their own hand sanitizer. And I hope they do put those big guys out of business. Whoever's price gouging, the distributors, the stores, the corner stores, whoever it is, they have to put a stop to that. That's why I love New York. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you all be safe and be well. Be careful out there. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Metroid signing out.